Banana, banana, nano banana. Confused? What is nano banana? That's taking over the internet. Don't worry. Today we are going to test Google's brand new AI image editing model that's everyone talking about. Some people are even calling it as an Adobe Photoshop alternative or a complete game changer for image editing. Sounds exciting, right? Let's check it out. So, what exactly is Nano Banana? Well, Nano Banana is actually the code name of Google's latest image editing model. Its official name is Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. It's still in preview, but you can use it. The coolest part, it's not only limited to the pro users, it's available for everyone, even free users also. Now listen carefully because it's important. If you search for Nano Banana online, you will find a bunch of fake websites. Don't fall for them. The real Nano Banana is available only in Google Gemini and Google AI Studio. Those are the official platforms where you can try it safely. So just you can come to this search on the internet like Google AI Studio. You can check out the first link and this is the interface, and you can see here you can try Nano Banana. So another website is the official Gemini app, so you can directly access. So let's test this in the Gemini app itself. You can use Gemini 2.5 Flash or Pro also. If you don't have any Pro icon, as I told you, it's completely free. You can generate. So let's test. Let's select the cat image. Okay, I have selected this cat image right here. And now I'm going to give a basic prompt like adding a t-shirt to this cat. So let's type. You can see I'm just giving a basic prompt. And click on the tools section and click on create image. You can see this logo. Just click on it and just wait for the result to display. And you can see it has done a very good job. It has added the t-shirt to the cat and it's look pretty good. It has adjusted the lighting as the t-shirt and it's perfectly matching for the image. So now you can add also the other subjects in the photograph, another cat or image or human. So let's test this. Like let's ask it to add another cat right next to him. Let's click on send and you can see it has generated the image. You can see it has properly added the another cat. You can also change or give a prompt like add an human also. So I'm going to use this photograph. You can see there are three friends having the dinner in a hotel. So let's edit this. It's like let's ask Gemini to give a wide angle shot and click on enter. And let's see how it's going to be the output. In this case, it should also maintain the face consistency of the three humans. I'm really impressed. And that you can see it has maintained the face consistency also. I think you are seeing a compressed image. You can directly download from here, right? Click on download full size so you can get the full quality of the image. Yeah, it's pretty good. Or you can regenerate also. So now let's test another image. This is an image generator with Google's Gemini itself. So let's add a girl beside him. Now let's see how it's going to perform. You can see she's also holding the hand and it's looking pretty good and it's looking like a realistic image. Yeah, it's performing very good. So let's change the shade color of this man and just click on enter. Let's see how it is going to change the color. Yeah, that's pretty good. You can see it has adjusted the color also according to the weather condition. You can also try it with your real photographs you have clicked. Now let's test another scenario. Let's take this building image. Let's change the weather and the weather condition. So now in this scenario, we are going to give a proper prompt which I have generated using the ChatGPT. So you can see this is the most detailed prompt. So just let's test this. Just click on send. Now it's going to give this result because we have given a proper detailed prompt. Make a note that the image generation is based on your prompt, and that's it. I got the result. Like you can see the reflections right here, and honestly I'm impressed. This technology is on another level. You can create close-up shots, top angle shots, but here's the scary part. Most people don't even know AI has reached this level. Your parents, for example, might scroll Instagram or YouTube, seeing photos and videos without realizing they are AI generated. Yes, Nano Banana is powerful, but powerful tools can also be misused for scams, fake news, or misleading content. That's why Google added a watermark, but I don't think so it's going to make any big difference. It's on us, the user, to make sure we use it wisely. So remember, enjoy AI, but always stay responsible. So that's Nano Banana, Google's new AI image editing model that could change the way we look into images. You can try it today in Gemini or AI Studio. Now it's your turn. You can use Nano Banana for fun, creativity, or content creation. Drop your thoughts in comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you in the next one.